you want to boost your production? Then rethink how you train your workforce. Our operator training program takes a blended learning approach, combining methods to suit every individual, making them more confident and competent. It includes engaging digital resources that can be accessed anytime, anywhere. This complements in-person training by first providing foundational knowledge and then moving to detailed skills training. This program is made up of modules that encourage learning, practice, and assessment. Plus, you get ongoing support from our customer success support team, so you can be sure operators have the skills you need. It starts with a virtual process tour, which gives operators an introduction to manufacturing processes and the equipment involved. Operators can get a feel for equipment and its critical parts through an interactive 3D model. Next, operators deepen their knowledge of the technology through self-paced interactive online learning. The product overview provides their first opportunity to see how to operate the equipment. Instructional videos allow operators to learn the detailed steps to use the equipment. Hands-on training in a virtual environment boosts confidence and builds muscle memory in a safe space, without impacting production or wasting valuable consumables. With a strong foundation and detailed training, your operators are ready to excel by engaging in your site's training methods. The operator training program is designed to be fast, effective, and flexible, to help you build a skilled workforce that drives your biomanufacturing success. Ready to upgrade your upskilling? Visit our operator training webpage to get in touch with our learning specialists.